just searched online, and then I spoken to Sandeep and he helped us. I did research, they were new, so when I went there, and I thought just I need to help them out because they're new and give it a go, and I was so happy with the result. I'm so grateful I went there. Actually, I've been and seen around 10-15 builders around, and they all were very expensive. So when we met Sandeep, he helped me. I have millions of questions as it was our first home and we were so nervous and I had no idea how to start, what to do. So he helped us a lot throughout the process and make us understand about how much we're gonna pay, how it will work. So all the way since we got the home, the process was very smooth and on time as well. During the builder process, Pratik was helping us, and whenever we have any question, he was very helpful. If I ring him, he will get back to me after 5 minutes, if he has to do his search or anything. So it went so smooth. We moved in December, just before Christmas. Yeah, I think it was 6 to 8 months. We all happy with it. So whatever need to fix, they are very helpful. Still, we can ring them anytime and they're helping us. Definitely, if I'm gonna build my second house, I will definitely gonna go again with them.